Free affiliate marketing course. Online affiliate marketing is one of my favorite and simplest ways of making money online. It is still possible to earn affiliate commissions without going through the expense of owning your own website. As an online affiliate marketer, you earn commissions only when you send someone to your affiliate's website and they make a purchase. For every sale that you create, you receive a commission. Affiliate marketing appeals to all age groups, especially in this economy where everyone is trying to find a way to make money online. You can earn affiliate commissions without having your own website, but you will have to learn how to drive traffic to your affiliate's website using your unique affiliate link. Once you've chosen a product to promote or an affiliate marketing product to endorse, you will have to learn how to drive large amounts of traffic to your affiliate's website. Here are a few ways to do just that. First is pay-per-click (PPC) advertising to drive traffic to the merchant's website using your affiliate link. When the people you direct to the website purchase a product, you earn commissions. I mentioned pay-per-click first, although it certainly is not my favorite choice, basically because it costs money. It also takes a lot of skill to do it properly. Using Facebook has become a very popular way to advertise. And there are two simple ways of doing it. The first is to create a fan page on Facebook. This is a free method and is easy to set up. Once you create a fan page, Facebook will automatically show you what a paid advertisement for your fan page will look like. Again, this is a paid method that I thought I should mention. Free traffic driving methods. Becoming an active member in online groups such as forums, where you can include your affiliate link in your signature, is an effective no-cost traffic driving method. The important thing to remember about marketing in a forum is you want to always participate in the forum discussions to establish yourself as a person of value. Others in the forum will see your signature, which contains your affiliate link, and out of curiosity will click on your signature link. If they make a purchase, you earn some commissions. Writing articles and submitting those articles to article directories is by far the best free long-term traffic generating tool an online affiliate marketer can have. You could write the articles yourself, or you can outsource them, meaning someone else gets paid to write the articles for you. In every article you submit, you have the opportunity to include your affiliate link in the resource box. Recently, most article directories will not permit you to use an affiliate link. They feel you're writing the article just to advertise. This of course is true, but we get around that by providing quality content that provides benefit to the reader in the article body itself. If the article has no value to the reader, they will not want any more information from you and therefore will not click on any link you may have in your resource box. Start your own blog. Starting a blog is easier and quicker than ever before. You can set up a free blog with loyalwebsite.com. You can also monetize that blog by adding AdSense advertising from Google to your blog. When you have your own blog, you can write posts related to your affiliate product. Because it's your blog, you can add affiliate links in the body of your posts. You can openly endorse your affiliate. You can even add a list building sign up box so you can start creating your own list. You can now write product reviews, post them on your blog, and in many cases you can find webmasters who will let you post product reviews on their blog. At the end of your product review, include your affiliate link, and this will drive traffic to your affiliate's website. Once again, anybody makes a purchase, you get paid. Whether you create your own blog or not, it's easy to see why online affiliate marketing http://www.loyalwebsite.com/affiliate marketing has become so popular. Pick up your free affiliate marketing mini course and learn more about online affiliate marketing. Go to www.loyalwebsite.com/affiliate marketing. You can also check it below on our video description. Are you ready to be a better blogger? How to register your own domain name for your blog. There are hundreds of domain registrars on the web. It's important to choose carefully because it can be difficult to move your domain later on. Just like with web hosting, pricing for domain registrations can vary anywhere from $9 to $24. You can even get it for free. Let's take a look at how you can easily buy a domain name. Free domain registration with web hosting at loyalwebsite.com. Majority of web hosting companies also offer domain registration as a service. Some of those companies offer free domain registration with new hosting accounts. If you're starting a new website, then it's a smart idea to take advantage of this offer and get your domain name for free. WeLoyalWebsite.com helps with WordPress hosting companies that are offering our users over 60% off web hosting, free SSL certificate, and a free domain name. It's important to keep in mind that most hosts offer free domain registrations for 1 year only. After the first year, your domain registration will renew at usually around $14 per year. A lot of users take advantage of the free domain for the first year because you would have to pay for the domain name regardless. Why not get it for free? How to register a domain name for free? If you want to register a domain name to start a blog or make a website, then this is the best option for you. Normally, a domain name costs $14.99 per year and website hosting plans start from $7.99 per month. This is a lot of money if you are just starting out. Luckily, LoyalWebsite.com has agreed to offer our users a free domain name, SSL certificate, and 60% discount on web hosting. Basically, you can pay $3.95 per month for web hosting, and you will get a domain name for free, so you can start your website without a lot of money. To get your website up and running, you'll need to purchase web hosting, which is typically offered by the same companies that provide domain registration. Hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. It's possible to set up a website yourself, but unless you're a designer or web developer, you can expect a pretty steep learning curve. If you have the budget, consider hiring a professional to help you with some or all of the following: configuring the site to look the way you want and include the features you need, creating and inserting a logo, optimizing the site for search engines, and creating text and images. For more information, watch this video by Founder with a detailed explanation of what it takes to set up website and develop it. Once you've chosen a name and business structure, filed paperwork with the state and set up your website, you're ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place and you can't sit back and wait for customers to come to you. Look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media, and old-fashioned word of mouth. Need any help deciding which business structure is right for you? Still confused? Don't worry, WeLoyalWebsite.com will help you to set up fully finished website. For more detail, contact us on email, contact@loyalwebsite.com. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.